Hey guys, back at it at another project here. My son's Miata, the little latch, doesn't really hold anymore. You're supposed to push this button and then this comes up. The driver's side's even worse. I went ahead and took it off. It doesn't even hold on. It's supposed to click right there, and you can see where this one's about to go as well. This section here wears off over time since it's aluminum. So we're trying a little hack where I've seen where people put a little screw to elongate that. I'll show you what I run into. Here's the other latch taken apart. Simply you pull a pin. It's got a little keeper, and then the pin comes out. There is a little spring, and then this comes out. So this is the problem. The little tip right here wears off, and by drilling it and putting a little screw, you're able to stretch it out or elongate it out a little further out so it'll latch. Now, I must have drilled it a little too high because it didn't want to latch. It was still catching. So I had to bevel the little screw. So I guess I'm making the video to keep y'all from making that same mistake. Don't be scared to drill a little lower. I was thinking I had to, drill it right at the top, so that you want to go just below the top so that the screw does not protrude past that little indentation. See how it bevels downwards? I went too far up. I think this will do, guys. I'm gonna try the next one a little lower and see how that works out. All right, so let's try to drill a little lower. Scared now. Just take your time and don't mess up like I normally do. Of course, the size of the drill bit depends on the size of the screw that you get. So in my case, let's see, what did I end up using? The biggest bit I used was a 1/8. Just a tiny bit more. So start out with a small bit, went up to 7/64 and eventually to a 1/8. Clean it off a little. Kind of get it started. Make sure you're going in straight. Looks pretty good. Let's hope we don't have to file anything down on this one. That's not bad, but pain in the butt. Oh yeah, so the little outlet screw for the wall cover with a 1/8, I'm sorry, yeah, 1/8, yeah, 1/8 bit. Worked really good so far. Let's go install it, see if we have to file this one. So this one's lower. You can see it's not protruding at the tip end. It's actually smooth with it. So hopefully this works best. All right, so this one we drilled a little further down in that flat spot as you saw in the video, and it definitely clears much better than the other ones. So if you do drill into the square, make sure that you drill on the flat side and about midway. Not too high up, not too low, obviously, so midway. Seems like it makes sense now, but when I first did it, I never haven't done it before. I thought I had to drill on the upper section where it would catch on better, but this worked. And we're done with this. Hope this was helpful. I'll catch y'all on the next video.